What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Gala games. We pulled back to our retracement zone, and currently we're starting to see a bounce. So we're sitting at 0.044, down 8.6 on the day. Seeing market cap of 313 B. And 24-hour volume 301 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bickit or Bybit, sign up, grab those bonuses up to 8,000 on Bickit. This is where they do the majority of my trading. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, completely for free if you sign up to one of the exchanges. Let's hop into Gala games. So we pulled back in what looks like our wave C to our pullback zone in between 0.042 and 0.038. As you can see, we see a get it together. As you can see, we've seen a nice reaction off the 61.8% fib level. So if we can start to get back above these hourly EMAs, looks like we have 3 waves up so far. So what you would want to see is a 5-wave move to the upside, pull back, and then see continuation. Now, if we were to only bounce about halfway and then we roll over, it might be that we're going to put in an ABC correction and still come back down to this yellow box. But that wave B would be a 3-wave move. So if you see a 5-wave move, then it could be a higher confirmation that we are going to start to push up in that wave 3. Now, if that is the case, I'll give you a target. Based off the fib extension here, if this is the low for the smaller wave 2, then your wave 3 target is the 1.618 at 0.071. Wave 4 pullback, put in that final wave 5 to complete the larger wave 3. So far, it's playing out beautifully as we've been predicting. We love to see it. We talked about yesterday coming back down to the EMAs on the daily. That's exactly what we've done. So we bounce from here. We can print the bullish cross and start to head up to these price targets. We are currently in a long trade for Gala Games, which is in some juicy profits. So we're looking for continuation to the upside. Even if we see some more pullback in the short term, I am expecting us to come up and reach these price targets. All right, gang. So what we're looking for is a 5-wave move to the upside. So far, I can see 3 waves. You want to see one more push up, pull back a little bit, and then see continuation to confirm that this is the wave 2 low. Because if we only put in a 3-wave move, then there is possibility of an A, B, C correction for the friend Gala. But as of right now, it does look like this was your A wave down, pulled back into B, came down into wave C. We'll have to see how it plays out. All right, gang, sign up to one of the exchanges. Email me or sign up email. Definitely recommend Bickit. Check out my full link tutorial. Completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, trade signals, all types of goodies here. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, trade signals, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here. Mahalo all plays. $10 a month. You really can't beat it. Same price as a Netflix subscription or a Subway with a bag of chips, foot long, cold cut combo. I used to like that one when I was a kid, but what do I like to get now? Sweet teriyaki? I haven't had Subway in a minute. Anyway, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.